Hello, what's up, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or get MS Word in Android. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to get MS Word in Android. Guys, you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video. Let's start our video. Guys, first click on this Play Store. Here you see this Play Store. Just click on it. And guys, this type of interface open. Then click on this. This word is open.